What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Dead Island 2 which is having an issue with video memory trying to allocate a rendering resource and how we can fix this. So let me directly get into this step one by one. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here and close this, go over here for the run command and press enter. This time we need to type %local app data %. And from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the folder named Dead Island. Go to save it, go to config, and if you find anything over here, any folder named saved, for example, if you find any folder named saved games, just delete it. Once after the delete is done, you have to go back with the game and you have to check. Still, if you are having the trouble, then what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the device manager, get into the device manager. Now we need to expand this and go over here for the display adapters. Right click on the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super, right click on update driver. Go for not update driver, right click on this one, go for disable device. Once after disabling is done, we just need to launch the game. After checking with the game, check whether the issue is solved. Still, if you're having the trouble, just go over here, right click and go to the properties. Now from here, after launching the properties, make sure that you have to give the command dx11. You should give dx11. Once you give the dx11, close this and go back to the game and launch the game and check. Still, if you're having the trouble, we need to install the GPU on your device. So I'll be providing a link in the description that's going to take you to this. So this is for display driver uninstaller, which means we will be uninstalling first, then we'll be installing the latest graphics card. So just click over here for the download mirror. Now you can download this one from any one of the mirror links. So once after successfully done, you can just wait for it. So once it is successfully done, just go back over here, go to the download folders, get into this one. Now from here, you can just extract this one. You can just go over here, go to the extract all. You can do the same extraction to the same folder. So once you extract it, you will be having this one over here. You can just go back. You are having the versions, right click on this one, go to extract it and just go over here once again. Now we have the .exe, just install the display driver uninstaller on your device. Now once it is installed, you have to, so it says you have to no, you have to go for no, and it says just close this as well. Now you have to go for OK and close this. Now it is asking you, the DDU has detected that you are not in the safe mode, so we need to restart it. Then after the restart is done, just select your GPU. So in my case, it is NVIDIA. So it will be automatically detect the GPU. Now go for clean and restart. So what happens is it will be uninstalling the older versions of graphics card. And once it's successfully done, you have to close everything over here. Close this as well. Now go to the link nearby to it. That is for the NVIDIA. So I'm using NVIDIA. So now I need to download the right version or the latest versions from the graphics card. If you're on the AMD, you can use this. But for me, I'm on the GeForce. Select everything. Should be selected Windows 11 and go for start search. And once you go for the start search, what happens is you have to download 576.52, that is the latest versions over here. Just download this, install, restart is a mandatory, and that's what we have to try. So this is the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.